Welcome back to my channel. Alright, so in today's video, I am going to review the Conspiracy palette from Dawson and Jeffree Star. Hey, I got the, well, I didn't get the whole collection, but I did get the mini Conspiracy palette, the liquid lipstick, and the lip gloss. So yeah, I got it in the shade I Gotta Go. So yeah, sorry. Yeah, so I'm gonna review the Conspiracy palette today, and then I'm gonna review the mini Controversy palette tomorrow. So yeah, I just wanted to do two separate videos. I didn't want to review everything all together, but when I tell you I waited and I was so excited, I bought this at the Morphe store, by the way. Yeah, I was so fucking excited. I watched the whole series. I'm a huge fan of Dawson. I love Dawson so much. And I'm just so proud, like, he fucking went into a whole different world, the beauty community, and fucking took that shit over. Like, period. Like, I'm so happy. And this is the packaging. Ah! Oh, and this is so crazy. Yeah, this is the packaging of it. I'm not gonna lie at all. The packaging is really giving me blue blood realness. I mean, blood sugar realness. Look at it like that. It's the same like trunk container. They both have clasps. It's just this one's a little raised up, but I love it. And it feels like foamy in a way. Like, I don't know how to describe it. It's not like leather. It's like foam. It's not foam. It's like the feel of it. Like, I don't know how to describe it. But the packaging, I do love the design of it. Like, I love the metal logo and everything. I love the clasps. It was just giving me blood sugar realness. But I love it. But yeah, this is the packaging, and let's go on the inside. Oh my god, this is the inside. Oh my god. I'm like so excited. And the bitches, if you're new to my channel, I don't swatch the whole palette. I swatch some of my favorite shades. So let's swatch the shade Trisha first. First of all, I love Trish. Shout out to my bitch Trish. I'm so happy she made it in the palette. Oh my god, it's so creamy. So this is Trisha. It's a cute hot pink moment. It looks like I just fingered her. So that's what they said. That's what they said in the series. Let's watch. Let's do Cheese Dust. And all of his shadows are really creamy, like not like smooth. This is Cheese Dust. It's cute or whatnot. It's like a lighter consistency. Let's swatch Sleep Paralysis. This one looks really nice. Don't mind the coughing in the back. Alright, this is Sleep Paralysis. It looks really nice. It's like a taupey silver brown based shimmer. That's the key. Like, yes, Miss Sleep Paralysis. And let's watch Illuminati Honey. Let's watch it. I don't want to mess up the stamps. I love the stamps. The stamps are so iconic. Ooh, it's giving me Probe vibes from the Alien palette. That one's nice. I love that one. I love Sleep Paralysis. Out of all the 4 ones, I think Sleep Paralysis is my favorite based off of swatches. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into this fucking review. So, I'm so excited. The first shade I'm gonna dip into is Cheese Dust right here, and I'm gonna put it on my outer V. And I primed my eyes with MAC Soft Ochre Pink Pot. shade Flaming Hot right here. And I'm gonna just put it right next to, like, on my outer V right here, like in the pocket. Right here. Now I'm going to take the shade Tanacon right here and blend it out just to create no harsh line. Now I'm gonna cut my crease with the Urban Decay Sleep. I mean, what the fuck? I'm gonna cut it. I'm going with a more wearable look today because I'm going out and I'm doing stuff. So I'm sorry. I really want to do a more intense, sexy. I could do a lot with this, but I'm sorry. I wish I could, but I can't, cause you know, society. Thank you, society. Now I'm gonna take the shade Not a Fact right here, and I'm gonna just deepen that up just to blend out the Urban Decay thing. Time for the shimmers, and I'm gonna take the shade Sleep Paralysis right here, and I'm gonna put it on my lid. Now I'm gonna take the shade Just a Theory right here, and I'm gonna oh no, fuck. I dig my fingers into one of the colors. But yeah, I'm gonna take Just a Theory and I'm gonna put it next to Sleep Paralysis. Now for the grand finale, I'm gonna take the shade Ranch right here and I'm gonna put it in my inner corner. Alright, so now I'm gonna put on some mascara and I'm gonna finish the rest of my face up, and then I'm gonna go on with the lips. Alright, so I'm done with my rest of my face. I use the Too Faced Natural Lust Bronzer. You can find this at TJ Maxx for like 13 bucks, girl. Get it while you can. I use the Kylie blush in the shade We're Going Shopping. I use the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter for highlighter. So yeah, let's get into the lips. So I got the liquid lipstick in the shade I Gotta Go, which is this beautiful bronzy brown color. And I'm not into metallic lipsticks, but I had to get a lipstick from his collection. Like, I was gonna get Ryland, but it sold out and I was pissed. And I wanted to get like Are You Filming, but it's like that was like a redder color, but I know me, I'll never wear it because I don't wear red at all. And I have the gloss in the shade Shane Gloss. I love that name. The only thing about his lip gloss packaging that's annoying is like it's really hard to take out. But yeah, this is in the shade Shane Gloss, and it's just a sheer lip gloss. I mean a shiny lip gloss. A clear lip gloss. That's what I wanted to say. But yeah, this is the gloss, and I have his regular gloss too that I had before. This is in the shade the Wet Peach. But yeah, this is the difference. This is black and it has the gloss written over it, and this one doesn't have it. And this one smells like vanilla. I love this smell. It smells like, oh, it smells so good. It smells like MAC lip gloss, but like times 10. And this one smells like root beer. So that's really cool. I like that touch that he did. That's really cool. But today I am gonna wear the metallic lipstick. This is in the shade I Gotta Go. So let me get my mirror and let's put it on. Oh, this one smells like root beer too, by the way. It smells so good. Like normally his lipsticks does smell like root beer, but this is like times 10. It's cute. I mean, I love it. It's like a, it looks like a everyday metallic. It's not like a, like a sexy, like not sexy, this is sexy, but like, you know, like an intense metallic. This is like a natural metallic, you know? I like it. Like, this one's really nice. But I want to try the gloss too. So I'm gonna layer the gloss on top. Got all these bubbles in it now. Look, you can see all the air bubbles. And I hoop. But anyway, so yeah. This is my final thing. My final thoughts on the Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star Conspiracy Collection. What do you guys think? I mean, next time I use this palette, I am gonna go in with the colors. Don't get me wrong, I'm sorry. I just had to go somewhere today, but I loved how everything blended out. I ain't gonna lie. Let me see. The shade, Just the Fact, it was kind of hard to get in. Like, it was kind of like a tad bit patchy, but I worked it in. It, you know, like, no hate. And the gloss, I love the colors in here too. Everything is so, you can make a lot of looks with this palette. It's so versatile. But the gloss, you have to dip in like 3 times. I had to dip in 3 times to like coat my whole lips. I mean, like with his gloss formula, normally you do have to dip in a lot of times, which I don't like. Maybe it's the applicator. I think it is the applicator. I don't really like the applicator for this gloss. It should have been like a, like not a paddle, but like a Fenty Beauty gloss where it's like big and it goes around your whole lips like once. With that gloss, all I gotta do is 1 time, and that is it. But yeah, that's how I feel. And then the metallic lipstick I really love too. It's really bomb. And then in the next video, I am gonna review the Mini Controversy palette, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, those were my thoughts on the Shane Dawson and Conspiracy palette. I mean, Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star Conspiracy collection. This palette is passable, the house. This gloss is barely passable. And this lipstick is passable. So yeah, if you guys like this video, you already know what I do. Give me a big old thumbs. Okay guys, I love you guys so much. Yeah, I love you little babies.